everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art series, we will experience the festival of colors, Holi. We will celebrate Holi through colors on canvas using another heritage folk art of India, Madhubani. It will be Holi drawing through Madhubani art. So stay with us till the end and do not miss your chance to know the unknown facts about Holi. Let's celebrate Holi with true colors. Since Holi is approaching, so this painting has to be a colorful one. And you can see in this painting, Krishna ji is playing Holi with Radha Rani. I wanted to do this Indian festival in an Indian folk art way. So this is done with the Madhubani folk art. My dear friends, Holi is an ancient Hindu festival, you might know, and it is also known as the festival of colors and or the festival of spring. The festival celebrates the eternal and divine love of Radha and Krishna. It also signifies the triumph of good over evil. The festival also celebrates the beginning of a good spring harvest season, and it lasts for a day and night, which falls around the middle of the March. The first evening is known as a Holika Dahan. That means burning of demon Holika or Choti Holi, and the following day as Holi. Or different parts of the country, they call it Rangwali Holi, Dol Purnima, Dulheti, Dulhandi, Fagwa, etc. The festival Holika Utsav was also mentioned in the 7th century work Ratnavali by King Harsha. So that means that origin of Holi is believed to be way before BCE, was believed to be in BCE. Legend goes that Lord Vishnu had assassinated the younger brother of the demon Lord Hiranyakashipu. Apart from avenging his brother's death, the demon king had the motive of ruling the three worlds, heaven, earth and underworld, by defeating Vishnu. Powered by a boon granted to him, Hiranyakashipu thought he had become invincible. On his orders, his whole state started praying him, dismissing the gods, but his son Prahlad maintained his deity to be none but Vishnu. Angered, the strange king decided to kill Prahlad with the help of Holika, Hiranyakashipu's sister. So Holika was Hiranyakashipu's sister, who was immune to fire. A fire was lit and Holika sat on it, clutching Prahlad. But Prahlad emerged out of the fire unscathed, whereas Holika burned to ashes. Hiranyakashipu too was eventually killed by Vishnu. There is another, that was one of the stories. And the another story linked to why the origin of Holi is about Krishna's love for Radha. So Krishna's skin was dark blue because a demoness had tried to poison him when he was a baby. And Krishna was worried about Radha, that Radha wouldn't like him because of his appearance. His mother, Yashoda, playfully suggested that he smears some brightly colored powder on Radha's face. After Krishna did this, Radha actually fell in love with him. So that was kind of two stories attached to the origin of Holi, how it has been started. The Holi of Braj, Barsana, Mathura, Vrindavan is famous all over the world for its intimate connection with the divine deities and their love. So now, my dear friends, I think that there are stories that date back the origin of Holi and recounts tales in mythology that trace the advent of our attempt at painting the human race more colorful. Maybe they are true, maybe they aren't. But the essence of color compels us to shun our logical minds in the hope of a dreamy world full of rainbows and true spirit. that you liked today's drawing session on the festival of colors, Holi. Let us know in the comment section about your thoughts. We wish that this Holi God paints the canvas of your life with the beautiful colors and give you many more reasons to cheer. Imagination Gallery wishes you a blessed Holi. We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms from different places and unknown facts about them, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Happy Holi!